Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Abby, and today I'm going to be showing you my hair wash routine. So I've just taken off the hairstyle from the previous video, and as you can see, I've still got some hair gel, and my hair is not looking quite pretty. I've been itching my scalp, so I often wash my hair twice a week, right? So my go-to is these ones: Cream of Nature, Argan oil, sulphate-free moisture and shine shampoo, and then the conditioner as well. So this is what I got from the Superdrug. You can get from Boots if you're in the UK, or even Amazon. So that's what I'm going to be using basically. I've got my portable sink here, which I use for customers, and that's basically it. And I've got my towels as well. I've got some towels here. So that's all we're going to be doing. I hope you like my video. Please thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the notification button to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'm testing the temperature of the water before I apply it on my hair. The step I skipped was to brush through or comb through your hair before you apply water or anything during your wash routine. So yeah, and I'm going in with my sulphate-free argan oil shampoo, Cream of Nature, and I'm going to repeat this step twice. I always wash my hair with the shampoo twice, just to have a deep cleanse. So please do enjoy the background music.
Oh, I'm